because I don't have any makeup on, but I wanted to show you my home decor haul. So I've been doing a little bit of damage at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Dollar Tree, and TJ Maxx. And I was just going to show you what I got. So I have made a couple of runs to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. And the first time I went to Michael's, I picked up this J. It fits in with my theme. Like, I have a lot of aqua teal tones in my house. So this I picked up and it went on my gallery wall. I have a little display wall above a bench, and I'll take a picture of that and insert it right here. That I purchased with a 50% off coupon. It was 50% off of whatever it was. It wasn't very expensive, and yeah, I just picked this up. Okay, so let's continue with Michael's. So today I went to Michael's and I purchased some stuff for spring. I got these 2 flower arrangements and they were $5 each, regular $10. And I just thought that they looked rather real, so I picked them up. And then to display them, I got this little pink like milk jug. So I have this for this one. And then this one was $6.99 with 40% off. And then I also picked up this glass. I was hoping that they had more of those vases or these milk jugs, but I might check a different Michael's near my house and see if they have any like that. But I also picked up this glass, which was $4.99 with 40% off. And then this has a little bit of lace on it. I thought it was really cute. So for now, I'm going to display this in this vase, but I might, you know, change it out at some point. But I just thought it was really pretty. And then I was like, well, I liked this one better. But since I didn't find it, I went ahead and picked this up because it was only like $2.19 for this glass with this lace around it. So I thought it was cute, and it will fit like into other themes. I can use it for different, you know, times of the year. So I liked this. Let's see. I also picked up this, what is this considered? Spring garland. It was $9.99 and it was 40% off. So it was $5.99, and I liked this. And I picked this up mainly because I bought one of those 3-tiered tins. I'll take a picture and I'll insert that here. I did pick this up at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to put this around it for the spring, for the Easter time. The last thing I picked up at Michael's was this, what do you call it, galvanized small tray. And this was regular $24.99, and I used my 40% off, which knocked $10 off, so this was $14.99. And I really liked this. They had one that was a little bit bigger, but I wanted the smaller one out of the 2. So what I might do is just take some items for spring. Like I have some ceramic Easter bunnies that might go on it. I might even use this garland around it. So hoping to style this really cute. But this piece right here, although I did pay $14.99 for it, this can be used for multiple occasions. You know, you can use it for serving at parties. You can use it for, you know, display. It's just going to be something that I can use year round. So I was really interested in this when I saw someone do a, you know, follow me around Michael's video. And when I saw that, I was like, I need that. I need that in my life. So I really like this. So I picked that up. So those things were purchased at Michael's. Let me just show you what the one thing I'm going to show you from TJ Maxx. I did get this at TJ Maxx, and I don't remember how much it was. I believe it was only anywhere from $6.99 to $4.99. Might have even been $3.99. And I just picked this up because I put it next to my sink in the kitchen. I thought it was really cute. It's a fake succulent. I do have real succulents, but I have those a little bit more near the window. And then this one, I just liked it. So I wish that it had a different base, but I thought it was cute. It even has the like faux rocks in it, or real rocks glued down. So I picked that up at TJ Maxx. The one thing I'll show you from Dollar Tree that I made was this little flower display. This jar, this like mason jar, was $1. I already had the marbles that are in it. I already had the ribbon that I glued around it. And then this is two flower displays, and I just cut them down. They were $1 each. So I just thought this was really cute for a Valentine's type theme. So this was cost me $3 in total to make because I already had the ribbon and the marbles. So I just picked up the jar. It did have, you know, the lid that goes inside it. I just took the lid out, put the marbles in, put the ribbon around it, and shoved the flowers down it. So that one I thought was really cute. Okay, and then the last two things that I did pick up today were, actually I picked up 3 things. I did one more haul. So at Walmart today, I picked up this refreshing basil, grapefruit, lime, this essential oils. I have it right now. I don't know if you can see. It's up there. I have it diffusing right now. And it is refreshing, but to me, it kind of reminds me of like cleaner. So I don't know if I really like that. I like the lavender scent that my mother-in-law gave me, but I really don't know if I like the scent. It was $4.87 for it. Okay, so I picked this up today at Hobby Lobby. This was regular $39.99, and I purchased it for $20 because it was 50% off of wood decor. I purchased this to go into an art niche that I have. And when I put it up, it was just too small. The art niche goes all the way to the ceiling. It's, you know, it's quite large. It's probably a good 8 feet. And so this looked very insignificant in it. And I did have a vase with like flower sticks coming out or wood sticks coming out, and I'm just over that. So I wanted something else. So I think I'm gonna have to spend the $50 because it would be $100 or $119 and then 50% off right now under wood decor. I think I'm gonna have to spend that to get what I really want to fit in there. I just want to have something displayed in there, but this is totally my style, my colors. Like I said, I have a lot of teals, aqua, turquoises in my house. I have a lot of reds and oranges in my house, and this was gonna go into that spot, but it just didn't look right. So I'll probably just keep this and put it somewhere else, but I did purchase it with a specific area in mind and it didn't work out. So then the last thing I got was from the Hobby Lobby ribbon section, the Ribbon Boutique. It's regular $5.99, and they give you 2.5 inches by 4 yards. It's just this burlap with lace on it. I thought that was really pretty. At some point, I plan on making a wreath that's just kind of like a year-round wreath where it would have like J and then have some flowers and then have some ribbon around it. I haven't got to it yet. I have so much ribbon, and I just, you know, so many crazy crafts in my head, and I just never get around to it because I just never make that actual purchase that I need to make. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home decor haul. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time that I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.